welcome back. Today was pretty exciting. The market started out pretty green, went greener, faded out, went red, went back to green. It was just all around chaos, exciting. This is the type of action I like. Momentum creates income, and we definitely got momentum today, and we got pretty lucky, I'll admit it. We actually secured our 16 out of 16 win. We sold our meta calls for a 35% profit here. 355, we closed at 480. This marks our 16th play in a row. I got some things to talk about. I also got some insight on our 17th play. Stay tuned, watch the whole entire video. I'm gonna drop it down at the very end. But anyways, guys, the portfolio today, nothing too crazy. Again, I didn't do anything. I didn't add any positions. Beyond is reporting tomorrow, so when that reports, we'll see what it does. Hopefully it goes up, sell some cover calls. At this point, Beyond is doing really well for us regarding cover calls. Roku's having a good day. AMD's having a phenomenal day over the past week, actually, so it's good to see that happening. Overall today, taking a look at Meta. That was the play that we did yesterday, and we swung it, and it was just one of those things where, like, it looked really good, and then it looked really bad. So right about in the morning, Meta was down. Okay, pre-market, it was down. I tweeted about this. I said it. Meta's down. Pre-market, of course, the stock went up 6.5%. What do you expect? The next day, it's cooling off a little bit, and then they shot back up to green. I held through. I'm like, well, I don't think this is it. I have a nice bull case on Meta. I'm going to hold on to it. Obviously, on hindsight, over the next 30, 40 minutes, I'm like, well, that was probably a mistake. I shouldn't have held it. But these contracts have time. There are December 2nd calls and plenty of time. We have almost 4 weeks on them. So I'm like, I don't really care. Plus, we're just winning and winning and winning. I don't really care. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to these, and I did. And we had a nice little bounce here midday. This kind of bounced with the whole entire market. So the S&P as well bounced similarly and right about here. And we decided to take profits on Meta right over here. Believe it or not, timestamps matter, guys. All right, so let's take a look at here. Keep in mind, guys, that it is 1 hour ahead for me here in the markets, as in the markets close here at 5 o'clock. So this is going to look pretty regarding what you're seeing on your screen. Puerto Rico doesn't follow the time zones. America does, apparently. They don't do the time zone changes, the daylight savings. Pros and cons, but they don't do it. So 1 o'clock is 2 o'clock. And we got out here. Right, it failed this 97, 98 mark area. I said, you know what? I'm going to get out. And then pure luck over here. Okay, I did not see this happening. This was just pure luck. I say luck when there's luck involved. This exit was a pure luck exit, because I could have exited at any point here and basically broke even, made money a little bit. But to exit on the very top and watch it go all the way back down was pretty amazing. Now, because I sold it on top and I felt like weakness was coming, I wanted to get these Tesla puts. And what happened was I sent the alert, I put my play in, I entered my order in at 5.0. I didn't get the fill. But as you guys know, people on Discord, they don't want to wait. So again, when you're on a hot streak like that, I don't blame you. I get it. I want it now. What if I don't fill or whatever? So a lot of people took the play and they made bank on it. So congrats to the people who took it. I believe some guys got filled at 515, 520, something like that. Whatever, they took it and they sold it in the high 6, almost 7. Maybe even over 7. I'm not even sure, because it's not one of my plays, as in I didn't get filled for, so it doesn't count. Now, for the guys that are saying, you know what, I had a guy hit me up on Instagram earlier, and he said, well, you're only putting watch list plays. I mean, yes, I'm putting Robinhood screenshots of watch lists, but these are real winning trades, guys. I mean, take a look here. Somebody just posted earlier. Exercise. This is real. Real gains. It's sell the dips, not my trade. It's sell the dips trades. That's what I'm posting here, guys, for you guys to see. I provide my trades on the portfolio. As you guys can see in the portfolio, I'm updating every move that I'm doing. I'm pretty much providing you guys full course meal, and you guys can decide what you guys want to do from there. But my job is to build long-term portfolio. I do like to trade these short terms. But anyways, I didn't get the fill on Tesla. Why Tesla? Why did I pick Tesla? And a lot of reasons it has to do is because of Elon putting his stocks on leverage to borrow a loan against it to pay this Twitter shit that he's doing. And I feel like his shares are going to be in stress with Twitter. He could get a margin call here. And I think investors are probably seeing that as well. His acquisition of Twitter is pretty high. The debt to risk ratio, he's paying about $1 billion of interest a year, I believe, or something like that. I read some articles on it. But I believe shareholders are assessing the risk of Elon having to be forced to sell shares to meet these margin calls that he may get in the future. Now, it's just something I found and I connected the dots. This had nothing to do with Meta selling off. It was just my next play after Meta. I wanted to take Tesla, and unfortunately, it was right about here, guys. It sold off, made a bunch of money on it. Whoever took it, it's a big drop. Then it bounced back up, and it actually went to my order. It actually went below my order as well. So I would have definitely got filled, but I canceled the order. I didn't want it, which was probably a mistake in hindsight, and it went further down. Now, that was my play catalyst on Tesla. I didn't take it, unfortunately. I don't have any records of it besides putting the alert. And as you guys can tell, cancel the order. It got away. So that was Tesla, guys. Nothing too crazy. Tomorrow is Wednesday. It's midday. We got some economic data coming out. It should be exciting as well. Today was more fun than most days, honestly. I mean, just taking a look at the week, it's not that fun at all. But today was fun. You had some action. I bet a lot of people got chopped out, made money, lost money, whatever the case is. Congrats to everybody. We are starting a small account challenge in December, so stay tuned on that, guys. But I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to post my 17th play on my Instagram story, so make sure you follow that as well. If you're not, I'll see you guys in the next one.